So for this experiment, I got my salt, got my pepper, pour them on this piece of paper here, mix them around. Got my balloon here, so I'll rub it on my head. And as you can see, picked up the pepper and not the salt. And the reason for this would be when you rub the balloon on your head, electrons transfer from your hair to the balloon, giving it that negative charge. And when you bring the balloon down to the salt and pepper, it electrically polarizes the salt and pepper, causing the electrons in the salt and pepper to repel away from it, leaving an area that is slightly positive, causing the attraction to the balloon. And the reason for it pulling the pepper and not the salt is because pepper is less dense than salt is, about 4 times less dense, giving it more room for those electrons to move, leaving a larger area that is more positive to give it that attraction to the balloon. And also the salt, gravity plays a little bit of a role there because the salt is a little heavier than the pepper. And that's my explanation to this experiment. Thank you for watching.